Did you know the Great Sphinx almost crumbled to dust before it was even finished? Around 2,558 years before Christ, Pharaoh Chephren ordered workers to carve this massive monument directly from solid rock. But they quickly discovered a terrifying problem. The limestone had layers of different hardness. Soft sections crumbled like sand, while hard bands took years to chip away with bronze tools. Ancient Egyptian engineers had to invent brand new repair techniques, wrapping crumbling sections in protective stone blocks just to save their masterpiece. But here's where it gets really mysterious. Look closely at the Sphinx's head. It's way too small for that massive lion body. Many experts now believe Chephren simply carved his face onto an existing statue that was already thousands of years old. Recent studies found water erosion patterns that shouldn't exist in Egypt's desert climate. This evidence suggests the Sphinx might be far older than we ever imagined, making it one of archaeology's biggest unsolved mysteries.